This is Steamboat Power. Today I will show you a 1800 kilowatt Shangchai series open-type diesel generator set. Diesel engine model 12 kVA 5A G31. Strong continuous load capacity, capable of easily achieving over 85% one-step loading. 12-cylinder V-type design, large engine displacement, sufficient power, reserve, and high reliability. The whole machine comes with a 55-degree high standard copper water tank.
All copper brushless, high standard motor with 2/3 pitch, automatic voltage regulation.
15 Hz and 16 Hz can be switched freely.
Suitable for various voltage configurations, such as 10 kV, 6.6 kV, 400 volts, etc.
The whole machine has a low fuel consumption and low noise.
Strong adaptability to environments such as sandstorms. Very suitable for the electricity needs of the complex and harsh environments, such as mines, leasing, exports, oil fields, power plants, and data centers. Fast delivery cycle for the entire diesel generator. Quick supply of spare parts. And maintenance is convenient and fast.